Hello learners, welcome to Science A Plus Edu. In this video, we are diving into an essential science concept to help you excel in your studies. If you are aiming for academic success, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to talk about something that's all around us, but we can't see it: waves and electromagnetic radiation. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the types of waves, what electromagnetic waves are, and how we use them in our day-to-day life. So, what is a wave? Imagine you are at the beach watching the ocean waves. You see them moving, but do the water molecules actually travel all the way to the shore? No, the water just move up and down while the wave itself carries energy across the ocean. That's exactly what a wave does. It transfers energy from one place to another without actually moving the matter itself. Did you know there are two main ways to classify waves? Waves can be grouped in two ways. First, based on how particles move. We have transverse waves where vibration move up and down while the wave moves forward, just like shaking a rope. Then there are longitudinal waves where vibrations move back and forth in the same direction as the wave, like a slinky being pushed and pulled. Think about how sound travels through air, like a slinky being pushed and pulled. Another way to classify waves is by whether they need a medium to travel. They are mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves require a medium, like sound traveling through air or ripple forming on water. But electromagnetic waves, we call EM waves, are special because they can travel through the vacuum of space. This is why sunlight reaches Earth even though space has no air. Alright, let's zoom in on electromagnetic waves. They are made up of two fields, electric and magnetic, that move at right angle to each other. Let's move to the electromagnetic spectrum. What is an electromagnetic spectrum? Electromagnetic waves comes in different types, arranged in the electromagnetic spectrum, from longest wavelength to shortest. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, visible light, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, gamma rays. Hey learners, don't forget to check out our website to get our science magazine. EM waves are everywhere in our day-to-day lives, and they come in different types, forming the electromagnetic spectrum. The spectrum starts with radio waves used in broadcasting and Wi-Fi, followed by microwaves for cooking and satellite communication. Then comes infrared waves, which helps in night vision, cameras, and TV remotes, followed by the visible light we use to see the world. After that, we have ultraviolet rays, UV rays, which help our bodies produce vitamin D but can also cause sunburn. Moving further, X-ray allow doctors to look inside the human body, while gamma rays are used to kill harmful cancer cells. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this interesting, stay tuned for more. Check out our Science A Plus Edu YouTube channel to get more. Don't forget to download the activity sheet in the description below. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next video.